What's up, guys? I must say the highest I thought the price of Bitcoin would get to before the halving was around $50,000. And most people thought that was an overly bullish prediction. But yesterday, the price of Bitcoin got all the way up to $68,000, which is just under the all-time high of $69,000, which means we could possibly see Bitcoin break its all-time high before the halving, which has never happened before in the history of Bitcoin. So are we going to see that? Where's the price of Bitcoin going from here? Well, it's definitely possible it could keep going up and break its all-time high before the halving, but I think it's more likely we're going to see a significant retracement before the halving, and maybe that'll go down to around $50,000. That'd be over a 20% drop from $68,000. And I mean, we've been pretty much straight up since October of last year, so we've been going straight up for months, and a lot of people are in significant profits right now. Hopefully a lot of you guys are. I know my portfolio has grown like crazy in the last few months because, again, Bitcoin and everything's just been going straight up. So when everyone's in a lot of profits, people tend to take profits, so I think very high chance we're going to see a retracement before the halving. Just as expected, there's huge psychological resistance at the all-time high at $69,000. We saw that yesterday. Price shot up just under $69,000 and then got rejected and started going back down. So we may be seeing the start of that retracement right now. However, it's definitely possible we could just keep going up and break the all-time high. When things are going straight up, you never know. It's very hard to tell when that's going to stop. So right now we have the ETFs just buying tons of Bitcoin. They've been consistently buying around 11 times as much Bitcoin as is being produced. So when you have way more demand than supply coming in, the price has to go up. So if that continues, we may break the all-time high before the halving, but we'll see what happens. I think it is more likely we're going to see a retracement before the halving. So we'll see. So if we do see that retracement down to somewhere around $50,000, that's probably going to be your last chance for a really juicy buying opportunity before the true bull run starts, because once Bitcoin breaks an all-time high, everything in crypto just starts going crazy. So if we see Bitcoin go down to $50,000 before the halving, we'll see some dips in other coins as well, and that'll probably be your last really juicy buying opportunity. So I'm definitely going to buy some crypto if we see that happen. Now, let's say we don't see that dip and Bitcoin just keeps going up and we break the all-time high before the halving. In that scenario, I'm also going to be buying crypto, because once Bitcoin breaks the all-time high, all the other coins start going crazy. So like if you look at previous bull markets, before Bitcoin reaches the old all-time high, like as Bitcoin was approaching the old all-time high of 20,000 last bull run, you didn't see other coins doing that much, but after it broke above 20,000, that's when everything took off. I mean, before 20,000, you did see coins doing, some coins doing 5x's or even 10x's, but after Bitcoin broke the all-time high of 20,000, those same coins that did 5 or 10x's, you then saw some of them doing 100 or 200x's. So things get way more crazy once Bitcoin has broken the all-time high. So if we see that retracement, that's a really juicy buying opportunity. And if Bitcoin breaks the all-time high, then you need to act now, or you're going to be sitting on the sidelines because everything's about to take off. So we'll see what happens, but hopefully all your portfolios are way in the profits. They should be if you've been holding through all this, and congratulations on sticking it through the bear market. We're going to have a great bull run coming up here. So we'll see what happens if we see that retracement, or if Bitcoin just keeps going straight up. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.